It's a very rare metabolic condition that causes premature heart attacks, strokes, seizures, a lot of different things. And it's related to PKU. And so PKU, if you don't know, is phenylalanine ketonuria. It is part of they were the first ones to get the newborn screening, so they're known for the heel prick that you get when you're a baby or you have a child. And so, but anyway, they have a site called Cook for Love, and it's a free site. You can go on there, and anybody can sign up with her for an account and do it, but it is for a low protein diet. Closest is a vegan diet, so but it does go a lot more than that. And so you've got to be careful on, if you do decide to sign up, they have a great amount of recipes, but not everybody should follow a low protein diet. And so, but this I am making. This is Cambrookes peanut butter. And the recipe I got this from is one of the, it's the last couple of steps in it. And so I'm like, oh man, this tastes a lot like Thai peanut sauce. And so I decided to try it. And I mean, that's why I'm doing it. So this is a vegan way to make a two ingredient Thai peanut sauce, and there's two different versions. This is the low protein one. So this is the one, if you have the medical foods, it'll drop about 3 grams, or 3/10 of a gram actually. Because I know some people have to do this unrounded, but we're taking 2 of those. So this is 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter. This is probably something that most don't even recognize when they make it. But what the recipe is for Caumus. It's a cauliflower hummus. And the person who actually created the recipe, and her name is Amber. So we're taking 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter. This is a medical grade peanut butter. There's no nuts in it. So I'm just gonna get all that out. We're gonna mix this with half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Once again, our sesame oil that was in the other sauce, this is in this one too. So this is going to be half a teaspoon of the sesame oil. And this is the whole recipe. So that was 2 tablespoons. That's actually a teaspoon. I want to go down to half a teaspoon, which would be, let's see, this one. That is a pure pure sesame oil. So I'm going to do both versions. This is going to be both the this one is using the peanut butter, and I'll make one using the cookie butter also. This is Trader Joe's cookie butter. Cookie butter mainly because I know I have a ton of more peanut butter than I will ever use. But this is the way to use it. So yeah. Okay, so that one is that one. And now I do the same thing, but this time I'm using Trader Joe's cookie butter. And there's that. So this version's a little bit higher in protein, but not much. If you want, you can also add the dairy or anything to it, but this is a way to get around. So if you can't have the dairy or the nuts or any of that, this is a way to do it, to include you. I forgot I wanted to. Grab another spoon here. Okay. I'm gonna get actually a little bit more of that out. There's that. Just use my hands to get it out. And now we're half a teaspoon of sesame oil. The cookie butter one's a little bit smoother and darker. So, but if you want to make it a little bit more like a traditional, you can add dairy, garlic, sesame oil, and the works. But really, to make it taste like the peanut oil, if you can't have it, this is pretty good. It's pretty dang close.